This is the final exam review. Number 1, 3x plus 2 is less than 14. Solve for x, that means get x alone. We undo the add 2 by subtract 2. 14 minus 2 is 12. 2 minus 2 on the left side cancels out. We're left with 3x less than 12. 3x means multiply. We undo that with divide. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the answer is x is less than 4. It doesn't have the or equal to, so 4 is not included. 4 is not less than 4. That's why there's an open circle. Less than are the numbers on the left. That's why it's shaded on the left. Number 2, the directions say plug in x equals 2 and solve for y. So 4x means 4 times x, so replace that with 2. 4 times 2 is 8. We're trying to get y by itself. You always get the number that's by itself, just a plain number, get rid of it first. So subtract 8 on both sides of the equal. On the right side, 18 minus 8 equals 10. On the left side, 8 minus 8 cancels. So we have 5y equals 10. Divide by 5 on both sides. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So y equals 2. On the left side, the 5 divided by 5 cancels. Page 2, question number 3. 4x plus 5y equals 20. It said find the intercepts. One part is to let x equal 0, solve for y. So replace x with 0. So we'll have 4 times 0. 4 times 0 equals 0. 0 plus 5y is 5y. 5y equals 20. 5y means 5 times y, so we'll divide by 5 on both sides. The 5's cancel on the left. 20 divided by 5 is 4. We plugged in x equals 0, and we got y equals 4. That means we have the point 0, 4. Part B, let x equal 0, let y equal 0 and solve for x. So go back to the equation, which was 4x plus 5y equals 20. That y is getting replaced with a 0. 5 times 0 equals 0. 4x plus 0 equals 4x. 4x means multiply, so divide by 4 on both sides. 4 divided by 4 cancels. And on the right, 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So we got x equals 5 when y equals 0. We plugged in y equals 0. So we had 2 points, 0, 4, and 5, 0. 0, 4 means go over 0, up 4 spaces. 5, 0 means go over 5 spaces, up 0, and connect your dots. Number 4, it said to graph by finding any numbers, any points. When you can find any points, plug in easy numbers for x and get the y that goes with it. So the easiest number to work with is 0. So 3x, replace x with 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So we put x equals 0 and we got y equals 1. That is the point 0, 1. The next easiest number to plug in is x equals 1. We can plug in anything because these are lines and they go on forever. So the next easiest number to plug in is x equals 1. Replace 3x with 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So when you put x equals 1, you get y equals 4. So this is the point 1, 4. The 0.01 means go over 0 and up 1. The 0.14 means go right 1 and up 4 spaces. Draw your dots and connect the dots. Okay, the example that I used was I bought a TV in December. Okay, this is a true story, and it had 12 months no interest. If I paid the TV off in 12 months, it would be interest free. So I definitely wanted to do that. So I wanted to see how much I should pay so that it would get paid off within the 12 months and I wouldn't have any interest. So I've decided to pay the same amount each month, $50. And I had some Christmas money, so I used Christmas money of $100 to pay initially. Okay, so every month I'm going to pay $50, and I paid $100 at first. So X equals months and Y equals total paid. So Y equals 50 times X plus 100. Okay, why is the 50 with the X? Because I'm paying $50 a month. So how much will I have paid? I'll pay $50 times however many months I'm going to pay, plus I paid 100 just one time. That's why the 100 is there just one time. It's 50x because I'm paying 50 times how many months I'm paying. And that is the end of this review.